Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show how to do the calibration for a stick knob of the DT9 transmitter by the Detrum Blitz. The way to do the calibration is very simple. Now I'm going to show you directly. First of all, we need to press the scroll wheel and we go to the system set, which is number 6. And the system set, and you find the number 7 calibration. So you enter it, calibration. In this menu, this screen here, we need to do the start to do the calibration. First of all, we find the left and right stick. We need to move it to the 4 direction, each direction to the most, to the top value. Here, 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 and then back to neutral position. And then we got the left and right knob, and also we need to move it to the top value, the most value, and then we back to the neutral position. Here we got the index here to get the position, and here on the back side we got the LS and the right S as 2 switch. Here also we do other thing, left and right and back to neutral position. And then we done, finish. So we enter it to confirm, and then we come to the calibration verification screen. Here we can check if our move is right, precise. This one is okay. This one is also okay. Back to neutral, very precise. And also we can check the knob here, left and right. Yes, exactly the same, consistent. Okay, and here as well. The OS and the RS as well. Okay, so we just enter. Okay, so we finished it. This calibration, the function of this calibration, which can calibrate the neutral position of stick knob and also stick travel. And when you need to do the calibration, you need to remember there are 4 situations that you need to do this. Number 1, the first time you use the transmitter. Number 2, changing stick mode. Number 3, when you upgraded your transmitter firmware. Number 4 is when your stick and knob, your controls is incorrect with or inconsistent with the actional on the screen is not right, so you need to do the calibration to calibrate it. Okay, this is the calibration for the DT9 transmitter. And here we found that on this screen, here you found the screen, the actional stick is not exactly as the picture shows, the screen shows. Of course, this is motor 2, and when you find here,
select model type, transmitter set,
motor set, and stick model, motor 1, you get motor 1, and you can check it again.
Model set, stick mode.
See, motor 1 is the right hand throttle. So that is different when you choose motor 1. We can try it.
System set, calibration.
So we just change the stick mode, and we just enter it, and we can see here left hand, see, left hand, right hand, right, and you can find that the calibration is very bad because we don't do that, just enter it after we change the stick mode. So we can back and do the calibration. We just do the stick, and then we can enter to check right? It's different. You can show the difference. Okay, thank you. Bye.